Is there any way to fix a PlayStation camera that isn't working properly?
Hey there, PlayStation users. We know how crucial your PlayStation camera is for your gaming experience. If you're encountering issues with your PlayStation camera and it isn't working properly, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk you through some effective steps to troubleshoot and fix the issue. Remember, always proceed with caution when handling electronic devices.
Is the PlayStation camera properly connected?
Before moving forward with further troubleshooting steps, it's vital to check the connection of your PlayStation camera. Make sure it's securely plugged into the aux port of your PlayStation console. Also, verify that the cable is not damaged or frayed in any way, which might affect its functionality.
Is your console's firmware up to date?
Often, the issues are caused by outdated console firmware. Ensure that your PlayStation console is updated with the latest software. You can check for updates through the Settings menu, followed by System Software Update.
Is the camera recognized by the system?
Even when properly connected, the camera may not be recognized by the system. To check, navigate to Settings, followed by Devices, and then PlayStation Camera. If it is recognized, try adjusting the camera's settings. If it's not recognized, try resetting the console and reconnect the camera.
Are the camera lenses clean?
The PlayStation camera relies on its lenses for functionality. If the lenses are dirty, it may not work correctly. Gently clean the lenses with a microfiber cloth to ensure there is no dust or smudges interfering with the camera operation.
Is it a hardware fault?
If all else fails, there might be a hardware fault with the camera. In this case, contact Sony support for further assistance or consider replacing the camera. These are some common troubleshooting steps to fix a PlayStation camera that isn't working properly. We hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on keeping your gaming experience smooth and enjoyable. Happy gaming!